Assalamualaikum, myself Said Usama and my roll number is 21TE09. Here we are going to discussing the DSP Lab 10. The objective of this lab is to implementation of FIR filter using frequency sampling method, in this method we are discussing Fourier transform design and Fourier transform phase withdrawing discussed in the previous section. Frequency sampling in other alternative, the key feature of frequency sampling is that the filter coefficient can be calculated based on the specified magnitude of the desired filter frequency response, uniformly sampled in the frequency domain. Here it is designed flexibly. Now you can see the source code of this lab, in which we are first filter specifications, and we uh, lower cutoff frequency, upper cutoff frequency, and then we calculate normalized cutoff frequency, and then we sample method, when then we applied frequency sampling method, and then we convert to transfer functions and magnitude response, phase response. Here you can see the plot of the magnitude response. Now you can see the output of this task 1, magnitude response for 7.17 and phase response of this task 1. Now you can see the lab task 2, in which we are doing frequency sampling method, and then we plot the magnitude response, and then we plot both frequencies. And now we are discussing the normalized cutoff frequency and upper and lower cutoff frequencies, and you can see the output of this task, the graph of this magnitude response and phase response. In task 3 we are doing phase response, and then we plot the magnitude response, and also we plot the phase response, and then we compute the FIR filter coefficients. And you can see the output of this task 3, magnitude response and phase response. In task 4, first we are doing filter specifications, and then we calculate the normalized cutoff frequencies, and then frequency sampling method, and then we can convert to transfer functions, and then we magnitude response, phase response, and plot magnitude response, and then we also plot the phase response. And here you can see the output of this task, magnitude response and phase response. In task 5 we are also doing as above codes, and then we calculate the normalized cutoff frequencies, frequency sampling method, and then we convert to transfer functions, and we are also doing and magnitude response, phase response, and then we plot the magnitude response and phase also phase response as above of this task we are doing. And here you can see the output of this code, the graph of this code, magnitude response and phase response. Here you can see it. In task 6, in which we are filter specifications, and then we calculate the normalized cutoff frequencies, and then we also put frequency sampling method, and then we convert to transfer functions and magnitude response. And here you can see the magnitude response, phase response, and then we will plot the both magnitude and phase responses. Here you can see the graph of this magnitude and phase response. Here you can see. In task 7 we are also doing as above of this code, filter specifications, and then we calculate the normalized cutoff frequencies, both upper and lower, and then we apply frequency sampling method. Here you can see the formula of this sampling method, and then we convert to transfer functions, and after this we are plot both magnitude response and phase response. Here you can see the graph of this both magnitude response and phase response. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.